We must protect the position of the American dollar.
Good evening. My name is Tanya Shimon, and welcome to the Wall Street Crypto Show. Today is Monday, August 18th, 2014, and this is the crypto market news of the day. After a bad weekend, it was Black Monday for the crypto world today, and Bitcoin was no exception. The price for Bitcoins fell 9% to $448. At one point on the BTCE exchange, the price crashed all the way down to $309. The volume traded was an extraordinary 300% above the 30-day moving average. The move puts Bitcoin down 44% since the start of 2014, but still up 350% since this time last year. In other Bitcoin news, Venezuela's very first Bitcoin exchange is now open for business. The company is named Sir Bitcoin, and they have teamed up with Rodrigo Souza of BlinkTrade to bring Venezuelans their first chance to exchange bolivars for Bitcoins. The Litecoin market was beaten up even worse today. Volume was 430% over the 30-day moving average. Prices for Litecoins fell more than 21% to $3.55 per Litecoin. Litecoin is not looking good. Peercoin fell 16% on strong volumes, and Dogecoin followed it down 15% as well. Both coins continue to struggle. Darkcoin traded huge volumes but fell just as hard as the rest, down 30% since yesterday. Darkcoin was down big over the weekend, putting it down almost 60% in the last week. Next also fell more than 11% in the last 24 hours. Ripple was largely spared the massacre, down only 4% on the day. Turning to the small market cap coins, Cloakcoin fell more than 36% to finish the day around 11 cents. Cloakcoin has fallen more than 80% in just the last week. And one of the only winners on the day was Monero, which traded up slightly more than 2%. In other cryptocurrency news, there was another exchange theft last week, this time with Next and the exchange BTER. The 50 million Next that was hacked was then held for ransom. The ransom was then paid, but the coins were not returned by the hacker. Since then, it has been rumored that a deal has been reached between the hacker and the exchange, but no official word as of yet. That is all the market news for Monday, August 18th, 2014. Come on down on Mondays and Thursdays at 6:30 p.m. if you want to engage in some live person-to-person trading action here at the Bitcoin Center, just steps away from the New York Stock Exchange on Wall Street. I'm Tanya Shimon, and this is the Wall Street Crypto Show, bringing you all the market news in the world of cryptocurrency. Please join me next time, and don't forget to subscribe.
We must protect the position of the American dollar.
And who got the money? Tell us who they are.
No. No other power greater than the power over money, the power to create and contract the money supply, the power